Why we have to practice yoga? Is it really an exercise or an alternative to other physical exercise? For answering to the first question, we have to search the definition for yoga as per the traditional texts. Here firstly we can take the definition given by Patanjali Maharshi in Yoga Sutra, or Ashtanga Yoga. The second sutra of Yoga Sutra specifically says Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. That means that yoga is the method to reach a state of nirodha, that means stillness of chitta, which means the conscious, vritti means actions. Hence according to this definition, yoga, one of the 6 systems of Indian philosophy, is a method to attain the state of total stillness of the mind. Philosophy is a Greek word which is a combination of 2 words such as philos and sophia, where philos means love and sophia means wisdom. So any methods that lead to attain this state can be called yoga. This sutra or shloka needs some more explanation. The word yoga, as any yoga student knows, came from the Sanskrit root word yuj, which means to unite. So this means a state where we realize what the real I is. Till reaching that state we wrongly consider ourselves as how others consider us. For example, I consider myself as the son of so-and-so, or as the husband of so-and-so, or as the citizen of such and such country, or as a lawyer, engineer, doctor or labor etc. Since I consider myself as such and such person, I am mentally attached myself with such things, and I am bound to suffer the related stress and strain attached to that. We all are aiming to have a happy life. And of course, happiness can be of different level. Less happiness, medium happiness, or much, or maximum happiness. If we have a choice, we all expect to attain maximum happiness. Nobody wants to be in a state of less happiness. All individuals in their life are trying to attain maximum happiness. And to attain that state, all the individuals in this earth are trying various activities according to his or her capacity of the brain. In the evolutionary stages, the brain capacity is also increasing. And so, the methods that an individual adopts for getting happiness is also changing. The earliest life, as we know, began about 3.7 billion years ago. Once the life emerged, it gradually evolved into more complex forms, gradually giving rise to plants, animals and human beings. Why this evolution takes place? A need might have prompted these living organisms to evolve. And that need was the temptation to enjoy the life to its maximum. This temptation for enjoyment was satisfied by the proper and effective use of its brain power. So the animals with lesser brain capacity enjoyed less. Because it has only less thinking capacity to make proper plans to make this life more happier. Hence we can see that the amoeba can enjoy the life only by eating its prey. Other animals except human beings have more brain capacity, and hence they enjoy their life not by food alone, but by the use of other 5 sensory organs, but with a limited capacity. For example, other animals except human being are not having the brain capacity to enhance the taste of the food. Such animals mates only when the nature prompt them during certain periods of the year. So, the need for more enjoyment prompted the living beings to have a new powerful organ to do that job. Hence human beings were blessed with a new brain called the neocortex with which he can make plans and think logically and take apt decisions so as to enable him to enjoy his life more than the lower level animals. We know that our brain is continuously evolving from the Dryopithecus, the ancestors of both man and apes, Ramapithecus, Australopithecus, Homo erectus, Homo sapiens, the present human beings. We still accelerate the process of brain evolution to a higher level if we can adopt a proper and scientific method which will enable us to enjoy our life to its maximum. Our brain consists of trillions and trillions of neurons. All these neurons are interconnected with the help of certain type of cords, called the dendrites. The capacity of the brain depends upon the number of neurons and the number of connections between these neurons. Just like we can increase the mass of our muscles by aerobics, we can increase the capacity of the brain by giving proper exercise to the brain. Such brain exercises are called the neurobics. Even though there are various types of neurobics to increase the capacity of certain parts of the brain, meditation is the most powerful neurobic with which we can increase the total capacity of the brain. Meditation is a process where we are trying to slow down the activities of the mind through which our brain can reach maximum resting stage, where the brain gain the capacity to rejuvenate itself. Various studies conducted all over the world also proved that through meditation, various dormant areas of the brain start to function. Yoga is the technical word for calming down the mind. Hence yoga is meditation. This is what is mentioned in the Patanjali Yoga Sutra as Yoga, Chitta Vritti, Nirodha, which means yoga is the process of the proper controlling the functions of the consciousness.